हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल वंस अगेन। सो लास्ट वीडियो मैंने कब बनाया था? 4th मई को। इट वाज 4th मई ऑन विच आई हैव टोल्ड निफ्टी पोस्ट एनालिसिस एंड द व्यू फॉर 5th मई, 6th मई एंड 7th मई। एक्चुअली 5th मई ऑनवर्ड्स, सो टिल फ्राइडे आई हैव टोल्ड। सो क्या बोला था कि दिस वन इज द सपोर्ट वन एंड निफ्टी शुड नॉट ब्रेक दिस लेवल एंड फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन सी ए मूव. So what happens for the Nifty? I gave some time analysis also. And what was my time analysis? Time analysis क्या दिया था? एक्चुअली फॉर 5th में मैंने 5th में के लिए वीडियो बनाया था. तो टाइम एनालिसिस मैंने क्या बोला था? निफ्टी यहाँ से 130 तक अपसाइड मूवमेंट रहेगी. ओके 130 से अपसाइड मूवमेंट रहेगी. लेकिन उस दिन निफ्टी पूरा फुल साइडवेज था. पर इफ़ यू सी that Nifty was in uptrend only. Okay, यहाँ से it's always a gap up open means it's you should see some fall, but that doesn't matter. see gap up हुआ, फिर यहाँ से फिर up movement ही हो रहा है because it is higher high बना रहा था. Okay, higher high बनाया. higher high बना के मैंने क्या बोला था कि 130 को मार्केट थोड़ा नीचे आएगी. So what I have told on 5th में Nifty will go up and after 130 it will come down little bit. So it came down. Okay, but Nifty should come down up to here, and but what happened? It could not, and it get some good move because of some demand and all. So it got some move and it went up to here. So it was preferably, what I will say, that it was full sideways only, but the time analysis what I've given is that it will be move up and after 130 it will come down, and it came down. Okay, after 130 it came down, and if you see it came down from 14,625 to 14,550. Okay, what is the mark over here? See what is the mark over here? 14,625 to 14,550. Okay, the level, from you see the level, if somebody would have put the money from here to here, okay, here to here, okay, if you have done some BTST buy, if you have done buy today, okay, buy on the post analysis or 330 around, okay, and if you have gone positive, if my time analysis is working for you, then what would happen? You have gone till 14,625. टिल 14,625 मीन्स 14,480 से लेके 14,625 तक आपको ये प्रॉफिट मिला. कितना प्रॉफिट मिला? ऑलमोस्ट 100 पॉइंट्स यू आर गेटिंग. ओके, देन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर ऑल्सो यू आर गेटिंग ऑलमोस्ट 60 to 70 पॉइंट्स. ओके, so let's rough calculation we do, because anyway in the real practical market you will not get the exact level and you will not get the exact profit. Okay, as soon as you get profit some 50 or 60 points or 100 points, you should, in intraday it is a 60 points or 100 points you should get out, right? So that is what I am telling. नेक्स्ट डे के लिए मैंने क्या बोला था? निफ्टी, आप जाके ये वीडियो देखो. निफ्टी 4th मई का मैंने वीडियो, प्री रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो है. मैंने कुछ यहाँ पर कुछ अभी नहीं डाला कि बाद में नहीं डाला. ओके, the day I put, it is ahead of time analysis, it is ahead of chart, it is ahead of data. मेरे को डाटा की ज़रूरत नहीं है टाइम एनालिसिस करने के लिए. ओके, निफ्टी कहाँ पर गिरेगा, कहाँ पर अप होगा, कहाँ पर डिप होगा, कहाँ पर राइज होगा, आई कैन टेल यू, बट एग्जैक्ट प्रॉफिट आई कैन नॉट टेल यू हाउ मच यू विल मेक, बिकॉज द लेवल आई डोंट नो. Okay, exact level I don't know, but by the Elliott analysis and price action and time analysis, you can get the level, right? So real time scenario में थोड़ा बहुत रिस्क भी रहेगा, लेकिन if you know the time analysis and the price action movement, you will get the good profit. See here, when I say that 130 Nifty is going to down, you should see the price analysis where it should go down. See, this is the price where it can take a resistance. Okay, it is confirmed it will take a resistance, and you should keep a stop loss of 60 points. Here in intraday always it is 1:1. It is not 1:2, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, always in a positional trade. Okay, and when I am giving you the time analysis, it is always for the intraday dip and rise. It is not for the positional, right? So you can give some stop loss over here, this point 14,675 and 14,625, you can sort it, because at the time when I told you 125 130, from 130 the market is, Nifty is going to down, मैंने ये बोला आपको निफ्टी इज गोइंग टू डाउन. सो ये वीडियो जाके आप चेक करो निफ्टी डाउन जाएगा कि नहीं, मैंने बोला है कि नहीं, ये वीडियो जाके चेक करो. 4 मई को मैंने बोला, उससे पहले भी मैंने वीडियो डाला, उसमें भी मैंने टाइम एनालिसिस किया और उसमें भी परफेक्ट आया है, ठीक है. सो आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द टाइम एनालिसिस, बट आई कैन नॉट गिव यू द एग्जैक्ट लेवल हाउ मच इट कैन कम, दैट इज फॉर द शेयर, बट आई कैन टेल यू व्हेन द at what time the nifty is going to dip and what time the nifty is going to rise. So for this I am coming with a book actually for the June time frame. This is the book for the only for the June month. Okay, if you want to pre-order it, you can order it. And this is the book Nifty time analysis for June 2021 and for the intraday dip and rise. So if you want to order it, you can order it, and the price is you can WhatsApp me, or you can WhatsApp me, I can ping you the price. If it is affordable for you, you can buy, or else you leave it. Okay, so this is the Nifty time analysis for June 2021. I am going to publish, and it is for intraday timing dip and rise only. Okay, only for the intraday, not for the positional. Intraday के लिए है, and the book will be in the English. I'll give you the specific time, precise time by which the Nifty is going to, from 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes there will be some lag will be there, but you can, with the price action, you can take the call whether you have to go down or. So this is for the June, for the whole June month, means for each day it will be there. Some sideways moment is always there, but that you have to check with the price action. So this is what I am going to publish. If you want to order it now, you have to pre-order it so that I can have it ready for you. So this is one this is the thing what I am going to tell you. So this is, so for the clarity and clarity purpose, you can check my videos 4th May and 3rd May. You can go ahead and check it. Okay, the timing what I have told you, it is correct or not. And now what I on that day, again this is for the 5th May I told you. Again for the 6th May, what I told you, 6th May I told you the Nifty will be positive trend. Nifty will be in the positive trend, and Nifty was in the positive trend only. I have not seen the data, I have not seen the chart, what will happen for the next day. Okay, when I gave you the analysis, I gave you on 4th May, I gave you for 5th, 6th and 7th. Okay, so Nifty for 6th May it was in positive note. You can check over here, you can check this video, you can come down little bit and you can check what was I told you. You can check it. Let me tell you where is that video. Okay, so see here I told you here, so you can check it. See, so this is the 5th May I told you Nifty will be in the positive note only, positive note. So Nifty, I have given some dips will come, but Nifty will be rising. I should have told you on 6th May, I should have told you, I should have done a video, but because of the time constraint I could not make the video. But Nifty, when this rise came, when 6th May rise came, Nifty was above 13 days moving average high, and when it is above 13 days moving average high means the trend is bullish. Okay, now I am bullish, and when 13 days, if it is 13 days moving average high low means in 1 hour time frame, if it is low then I am bearish always, I told you. So on that day I should have to make that video, but because of the time constraint I could not make the video. So if you have seen, so what happened in 5th May, 5th is okay, 5th is okay, it was a sideways, and 130 see a big candle came over here, Then fifth May I told you it will be what I was expecting, that this fall will up to extend up to here, and on the 6th May what will happen, it will be in this zone only, in 13 days moving average high and low it will be there, not crossed. Okay, but what happened on that day, it crossed on the 6th May only, it crossed it, and when it crossed it means it is in a bullish trend and Nifty will be bullish. Okay, so this day video on 5th May, if I would have 6th, if I would have made the videos, and I would have told you what happened over here. Okay, so okay, that's okay, but you know, if you are a viewers of my channel, you have always been knowing that 13 days moving average high is always a reversal zone. Okay, it is a reversal zone. You should be conscious that it is when a green candlesticks close above 13 days moving average high means it will be reversed. Now I'll tell you, on 7th May also I gave you this one analysis, time analysis. What I told, though market rises, though market opens a gap up, but what happens, it fell down, and till 1 o'clock it was coming down only. Okay, but my analysis is that some bullish trend is there, but as soon as open after 10 it came down. Exactly, I have not given you this one, but in my book, when I will give you the timing over here, 9:30, 10:30 or 11:30. What is the time by which Nifty will give you a dip and give you a rise? Okay, give you a dip and give you a rise. It cannot be that if dip is vigorous, then I will let you know that yes, his dip can be more, and if the dip is not so much, then I will write over there the dip, check the price action for the dip more. Okay, if the dip is coming more or not. If dip is, I am sure the dip will come more, then I will tell you the dip is more. Okay, so this is the for June actually. So now see here also, if you see, go to this 5-minute chart and see what happened. Nifty opens up and up to 10 it was in a bullish trend, then after there is a sideways, then it came down. So this is what I will tell you, the exact timing from where the Nifty is going to come down. So in this channel only I gave you that this will be the trend. So it is not like that. Exactly in my book I will tell you, see this, how the Nifty came down, and it came down from this points 14, if you put 14,860 to 900 was a resistance zone. Okay, that you also means 14,860 to 900 was a resistance zone. And if you give with 14,860, if you have this one, if you put a short trigger there, Nifty future, and you would have got almost 60 points. Almost 60 points, you would have got 800 or 780, whatever it is, 80 points or 60 points, almost 60 points, let's say you get. Okay, always 1:1. If your stop loss is 100, then you could 100, and if you use 60, if you can get 60. So 1:1. Don't be so greedy and get. And this timing also I should have told you, but I think that there will be a this, and there will not so much of rise. Okay, not so much of rise, but this rise was there little bit, and it went, and again it dip. So this dip, and this kind of dip also I can tell you where it is getting dip and where it is getting bullish. All these things in my latest book I can tell you, in my where this intraday timing dip and rise in for the June, each day I can give you. Okay, so where will be the exact dip and where will be the exact. For pre-order or pre-booking, please let me know in my WhatsApp number. I will give you in the detail section. So if you are interested, you can tell me. If you're not interested, it's okay. Okay, that's it, guys. So here, in case of Nifty, let me give some view on Monday. What would happen? So what will happen is that this now if we are crossing this level 15,043, 15,044, if you are closing above this, a close, if it is given in 1 hour chart, then we will be seeing close this 15,861 would be the level where Nifty could rise, and then we can see some zigzag movement over here, because that the third move will complete, okay, and the fourth move will start from here. So if this is crossed, then we will see this 15,861 in the short term, okay, 15,861 in the short term. And here again we will see some zigzag movement, momentum like this, then again we will move towards fifth move. So now this is the hurdle for this 15,043 is the hurdle. And where is the hurdle now for this one? The hurdle is over here also. We can check over here. Let me check. So let me go to the 15-minute chart, and we'll make some progress over here. So right now we are bullish, and okay. So let me put over here. Now if you put, you see where it is coming, 15,955 is again, this one is the hurdle, okay, this one is the hurdle. So from here again we'll see some zigzag movement over here, or this level 15,955 to this 15,043. so this level where the Nifty could fall little bit, and how much it can fall, that also we can tell the level how much it can fall. So if suppose 15,000 would be the hurdle, because 15,000 is the round number, and if this is the hurdle, then we can see 14,875 to 14,796 the zone from where it will take support, and it will go back to break this 15,043 level. So this will be the zone. This zone will be the one of the support. If it is going to get some resistance over here, and it will come over here, and it will go and break the 15,043 level to move towards 15,860 something level there. I'm not able to, I don't know, something with the scale, some problem is there. So what I'm telling is that 15,043, if it is crossed, then it will go to 15,860. So this wave, what I was telling on that day, this wave, this first move, and this has been corrected, and this is making the two. This is making the two until unless this is the this is the support. This is the support. 14,150 is the support. Till the 99% it can come to make the second level also. This is 1, this is 2 over here. I will tell you 1 minute. So this will be 1, this is 1, and this is making 2, okay. So this is making 2, it can come to over 15, this also, and then it can go, okay. This is what I am telling. So this is where it is doing all these things, zigzag something will be there. If 15,043 is the now the resistance where it will, if it is crossing, then we will see a smooth move right to 15,860, where you can get the 13 days moving average high. If you see 13 days moving average high always will maintain till 15,860 once it crossed this 15,043, okay. So that's it guys, for this Monday onwards. So Monday onwards we are a little bit bullish till until I think 14,955 will be the hurdle. So here in this zone will be the hurdle, and where we can see some fall. Now what is the invalidated zone for this? I will tell you what is the invalidated zone for this. So this what we are doing. So this what we are doing, this one and this one is the, again the move is there. So one invalidated zone is this one, this 1 2. So this is second, this is the second. If it is crossing here, then again we'll see more zigzag movement, and it will be a triangle pattern or something, and we can fall, okay. So in long term, suppose in coming days, the invalidated zone is if it is crossing this one 14,150. If it is breaking this, then we are going low, we are going towards the 13,900, okay. And if it is maintaining this in this level, if it is maintaining over here, then we are always in a move to go towards up, bullish. So this is what I am telling. So in the short term, what is the invalidated zone? See, if it is now, it will get now it will go over here, the all the move will get complete. So all the move will get complete, we'll see that some movement over here. If it is again, if it is crossing, then it has gone. Now it cannot be, this cannot be the first move. Then it will be again, it is in a zigzag movement, and we'll see some zigzag over here, triangle or something like that, and we'll move 15,043. So let it cross, this is the one support, and this is the one support, and this is the support, this is the let me tell you, 1 minute. So this is the this one is 14,000, 1 minute. So let me remove this one. So I have made messy over here. So कौन सा लेवल है ये, एक बार हम लोग देख लेते हैं, ठीक है. सो ये कितना हो गया, सॉरी, okay. So it is the, what is the high here? 14,722 is the high. So 14,722, if it is giving a close, then it will be again this one will be validated and will be traveling towards this level, 14,400. So I don't think now Nifty is going to fall anymore. So Nifty will be only getting the hurdle over here. So little bit of cautious, and a little bit of cautious of this one. If it is going below this, then we will be seeing the support over here, 14,457, right? 457 to, again it will be coming over here, the support I have told you. Okay, so this is the support, this is the support. And 13 days moving average, be always look towards anything you are taking a trade or something, always look towards a 13 days moving average high and low, 13 days moving average high and low. Okay, until unless that is crossed, 13 days moving average low is crossed, means it is bearish zone, and 13 days moving average high is crossed, means it is bullish zone. So now we are in a bullish zone. I am repeatedly telling you, don't take when you are in a bullish zone, always look toward the support, wherever it is you are getting the support, you can look over it and take the support call only. And in a bearish zone, always you take the resistance zone. So that is how you should trade. You should not trade means if it is a gap up or something, you should start sorting or something. Until unless you know the perfect timing and all, you should not do. So if you can get the perfect timing book from me, and you can check it. So now we are, this is the 14 days 13 days moving average low. Let me make it red color. So any trade, if it is coming down, say 13 days moving average low, and only telling that this is the invalidated zone, and once it is crossed, means now it can be a triangle or something, and here it is, the support is here. Okay, and will be in the short trade. And in the short trade, again the support trade only, again if it is crossed over here, then we can see 14,150 towards. But now this is the hurdle, and we can see in Monday also, we can see some more rise. Okay, more rise after fall. After fall, here it can take some consolidation, it can happen, and it can again rise, or it will be a gap up, and we'll do some more over here, 15,000 level or 15,043 level or something, and we can fall. But that will be the fourth move of this one, of this move, this move. It will be the fourth move, right? And the fifth move will be expanding, and will be, I think we will be seeing for 15,860. So that's it, guys. I will come up with my this one next view. In the meantime, you can think about this book, and if if you want to give order, then you can give order. So this is the time analysis for June 2021, where exactly the timing for the deep and rise will be there in this book. So So happy trading and bye.